Hello friends, welcome to my channel UGC Revision Notes. Today we'll see Programming Languages and Graphics Unit from the August 2004 paper. Uh, Pointers and C language. So this is a ideal video for you. So please don't skip any part. Go through each and every problem. It will be very useful in your upcoming examinations. So we have already covered problems in TOC, computer networks, operating systems, computer architecture, and artificial intelligence. So today we'll be covering C and graphics. So first problem, question number 55. So here we are given a problem. See, void main int arr, that's an array 1 2 3 4 5, and int star p pointer to an array equal to arr, printf star p plus plus and printf star p plus 1. So let us see how to solve this problem. Friends, here is the problem. I have written the problem in blue and the explanation in green. See, normally in an array, the pointer will point to the first position. So first position of the array will be, it is the address of 0. So AR of 0 is 1, 2, 1 is 2, 2 is 3, 3, 4 and 4, 5. So then I given a pointer to this array. So in the pointer normally you need to know where the pointer will point out. So int star p is a pointer. It points to this array. So normally it will point to what? It will point to the array, starting position of the array. Okay, that is the first element of the array, that is ARR of 0. So what is this value? So star means its value. Star means what? It is a value. So after the star, whatever is there, it is the address. Okay. So here printf percentage %d. So they are asking to print. What they are asking to print? So star p plus plus. So first star p. So only p value will be printed, because after that p will be incremented. So what is the value of p? That is the address. Address is now p is the address. So first is point to 0, the 0 address. So it will be in the 0 only. So what is the value? The value is 1. Hence the output will be what? It will be 1, because the output of p of 0 or ARR of 0 is 1. So first the output is 1. Next, in the next printf statement, it is star of p plus 1. So again here also you need to compute the address. See, here we were in the address of 0. Next it has been incremented post, so it will become 1. So p will be incremented by 1, so it will be ARR of 1. That is the address will be 1. Next, if you take this statement, then again p is incremented by 1. P is again incremented by 1. So here it will go again to the next position. So it will be ARR of 2. That is this position. It will point to this position. Hence, what will be the value? So the value, this statement means star of p plus 1. The address of 2. So address of 2 is what? Address of 2 is, here address of 2 is, what is the address of 2? The address of 2 is 3. So 2 is pointing to this value, that's 3. Hence the value for this one is, the output is will be 3, and the value for this one is, the output will be 1. Hence the output will be 1 and 3, and the answer will be 2. Let us see the options. See the options, the answer is 2, that is 1 and 3. So this is the correct answer. Option number 2, that is 1 and 3. Next question number 56. So again you are given a C code. Okay, and then we are asked to find the what is the output of the above code. Okay, here there is a function index, 2 integers are coming as input, and you have a temp value that is incremented, and then if it's y equal to 3, return x, else you have a value, and then you have to print the value of what? You have to print the value of temp. Okay, let us see how this works. Here first the value of temp will be what? It will be 0. So first they given as initialized as temp is 0. Then when it enters the function, here you have the function the value is given as 4 and 81. So they given the what are the values and goes into the function. They given us 4 and 81. So fun of 4 comma 81. So these are values that goes inside this function. At the beginning 4 and 81 goes inside the function. Now temp will be incremented by 1, so temp becomes 1. Then here you find the if part, that is this is x and this is y, so y is equal to 3. It's not, this condition is not satisfied, then goes to the else part. So else part is it is equal to function of 4 comma, here again x value is the same but y value is divided by 3. So 81 by 3, that is 27. So again you have to do this function fun of 4 comma 27. So let us see what is happening in this function. So again fun of 4 comma 27, here temp will be incremented by 1, so temp will be 2. Then again goes to else part only. Then you have the recursive function, that is fun of 4 comma, now 27 by 3, that is 9. So again it goes to this function, so fun of 4 comma 9, so it goes inside. Again temp is incremented by 1, so temp is 3, goes to the else part. Here again 9 by 3 becomes 3, so fun of 4 comma 3. So when you go to fun of 4 comma 3, here you have again temp will be incremented by 1, that is temp equal to 4. Then here you see that y value is equal to 3. Here they given a condition, right? If y equal to 3, so here this condition is satisfied because y has become equal to 3. So when y equals to 3 is true, then this will return x value, that is 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64. And then it goes out of the loop and goes out of the function. So what will be the value? So finally what they are asking to print the value of temp. See, this is what the value of temp. So in the main they ask to print the value of temp. So what is the value of temp? Here the last final value of temp is 4. When this becomes true, last value of temp is 4, so the output is the value of 4 will be printed, that is output is 4, and the answer is 2. So answer to problem number 56 is 4, that is the option second. Hence the answer to this problem number 56 is 2, that is second option. Next problem number 57. Here you have a swapping program, that is we have main a equal to 5 and b equal to 10, and swap ab and swap ab, and then you output the value of a and b. So here you are passing the address int x, ampersand x and ampersand y. So let us see the output. See, in main a is passed as 5 and b is passed as 10. Then you're calling this function swap of a comma b. So it goes this function. Here you're passing the address of x. So here the whatever value is passed, you're passing the reference to this value. So the address is passed. So here the x value is 5 and y is 10. So here you just swapped. So in temp equal to x, then x equal to y and y equal to temp. So you interchange the x and y values. Here when you swap, the output will be what? Here x becomes 10 and y becomes 5. So when you swap this one, here what is the value? X will become 10 and y will become 5. Now again you have a swap function with a and b. So here the value will be x is 10 and y is 5 is passed to this swap this function. So here now it is 10 and 5. Now second value, the values passes 10 and 5. Now when this is swapped, when this value is swapped, now the value of x, that is x will be what? X will be 5 and y will be 10. That is the original value will be got. So x equal to 5 and y equal to 10. Here when you output a and b values, what you'll get, you have a value as 5 and b value as 10. So the output will be return of 5, return this output as 5 and 10. This is the output. So the correct answer will be 5 and 10. Number 57th correct answer will be first option, that is 5 and 5 comma 10. So friends, we have completed 3 problems. More there are 10 problems to complete. So here if you need notes on this or any PDFs, please write to this mail ID, that is itismeeraji10@gmail.com. Hope this was useful to you. Please like, share and subscribe this channel so that it will be a motivation for me. We continue next in problems in the next video. Thank you.